Are you ready to check out this beautiful, amazing house? Well, don't wait any longer because I'm going to be showcasing this model home that opened up right here in the heart of Leander, Texas in Treviso. This is Taylor Morrison Catalina floor plan. Let's go. See the high ceilings that we're entering in, which makes it a very open layout on this floor plan. On your right hand side, you are right here in a study room. And guess what this study room has? You won't believe it. Oh my goodness, I love this. If you got a pet and you love your pet, look at this. I know for my pet Luna, she's gonna love this because, oh my gosh, I love it. As you can see, we're here at the open dining area. There's a lot of upgrades in this model home, right? So if you're building it, consider about 20 to 25% upgrades. Lots of people like the beams that are right here in the dining. This is also in the master bedroom, but if you are considering liking this look, make sure you add it into your budget because this can be very costly. What I love about this model home is the open layout, how you feel very breathable in here, opens to below concept, and the sliding doors. Some builders may not offer to have sliding doors in both the directions, over here and in the dining area. So before you go under contract and the sliding door is a must for you guys, find out from your builder if that's acceptable. And these sliding doors are one of the #1 structural upgrades that people do. And here we have also the formal dining room right here. And now we're entering into the grand kitchen. This one, farm sink, you've got the island, you've got beautiful lighting, you've got the 6 gas burner. All of this is also, a lot of it is an upgrade. So consider what you guys love and add only the stuff that you really love. And here we are in the master bedroom, very open, very spacious. You see the beams right here also. If you're liking the look, again, make sure you consider the cost on how much it's gonna cost you to get that done. You've got lots of windows with the natural sunlight. And guys, look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh. Wow. The shower, huge. And another thing that I love is this closet right here. This is gigantic. Oh my goodness. You do have an option to even extend this further if you need to. And you know who this is going to be for? The ladies. Man, I don't know what to say to you. You might have to find something else. But I love this closet. And then we're going to enter into another bedroom right here. This one I would kind of call it like an extra bedroom or like an in-law suite because it's got a full bathroom and it also has a walk-in closet. I think this is perfect if you're considering a in-law or somebody that wants to have their own space. This is wonderful. And it looks like they've got a door going out to the patio. You wanna take a look? So you can get out of the in-law suite or the guest room right here to the patio and enjoy the open covered patio. And again, this covered patio can also be extended if you do like that extension of having more covered and then enjoying the outdoor space if you need it too. Like I said, the sliding door look is just amazing even from outside, and that's something that people are going to love if you're going to consider a resale factor later on. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the upstairs and see what that has to offer. But you can see the natural sunlight right here, guys. You can see the entryway, it's very open. Look at all those windows and the high ceilings. It's just a grand open floor plan. And this is nice, a little sitting area right here for somebody that wants to do reading. And then we're right here into a bedroom upstairs for your little kiddos. And the other thing that I love when looking at the model homes is, especially if you're building, is the designs and what color options they have. I mean, look at it. They've just done such a wonderful job just staging this. Full bathroom with a walk-in closet right here. I think one thing that I don't like about this model home is these steps. I don't know. I think it could be a safety thing. Other thing I would say to watch out, I know a lot of people like this look of the rails, but I'm always scared, especially when I have little kids, trying to jump and climb. So just to have that thought process in your mind when you're building a house. You do have another bedroom right here. You also have another full bathroom right here. And then here we're entering into your grand open space of game room. I want to see what they have down here because I haven't really walked this one yet. Yeah, they have another bedroom here, guys. They have another bedroom here. They have a walk-in closet. Okay, here we go. Your entertainment area right here. This is your media room right here. And this right here opens to your balcony. And look at all those amazing views. Oh my goodness. So this Treviso community, you will see views all around depending on what lot you guys get or what lot you guys want to build on. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this model homes and the things that I love about it and some of the things that I really don't like about it. But if you need more questions or you need more help, just reach out to me, let me know. I can get you contact with the builder and help you throughout your home building process. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn about Leander itself, make sure you watch this video next.